Are you struggling with saving money? It's a question often crosses our minds. As we venture into the realm of financial autonomy, gaining control over our savings is our first task. It's not just about setting up an emergency fund, but about laying a solid financial groundwork for what lies ahead. It might be for that dream vacation you've always wanted, a shiny new vehicle, or a comfortable and secure retirement plan. Saving money is an essential element that can aid in turning your fantasies into actual experiences. In this upcoming video, we will delve into 5 useful tips that can aid you saving money efficiently. We'll cover everything from formulating a realistic budget, making smarter shopping decisions, setting up automatic savings, to reducing unnecessary expenses, and finally, making intelligent investment choices. Each tip is meticulously crafted to aid you in your financial journey with ease and assurance. This is your opportunity to take control of your financial destiny and navigate towards a more secure future. Are you ready to seize control of your financial well-being? That's the spirit. Now let's unravel these 5 money-saving strategies. Firstly, budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. It's the foundation which you build your future financial stability. It's not merely about keeping a record of every dollar you earn and spend. It's about gaining insights into your money habits, your desires, your aspirations. At the heart of budgeting lies awareness and control. It's about comprehending the source and destination of your money. It's about scrutinizing your spending habits, detecting areas for cost-cutting, and discovering more efficient savings techniques. The essence of budgeting is being the master of your financial destiny, instead of letting it master you. The task of creating a budget may appear intimidating, but it need not be. Start uncomplicated. Jot down your income and expenses. Your income should encompass all sources, from your steady paycheck to any additional earnings you might. Your expenses should incorporate everything you spend money on, including your housing costs, grocery bills, and even that daily cup of coffee you can't live without. Once you've got everything listed down, it's time to dissect and analyze. Scrutinize where your money is being spent and question if it's facilitating your objectives. Are you overspending on eating out when you could be preparing meals at home? Are you allocating enough towards your savings goals? This will sanction you to make educated decisions about your finances and formulate a plan that synchronizes with your financial ambitions. But let's not forget, a budget isn't unchangeable. It's an evolving entity that should be adjusted with you. As your income varies, as your expenses oscillate, as your objectives alter, your budget should accustom. Review it habitually, modify it when necessary, and maintain its realism. Keeping these aspects in mind will aid you in staying on track, ensuring your financial stability. And let's not overlook the importance of budgeting for leisure. Life without entertainment can be monotonous, so be sure to allocate funds for entertainment, excursions, or whatever brings joy to your life. After all, money is merely a vehicle to assist you in living the life you desire. Budgeting is a critical tool in managing your finances. It not only promotes financial discipline, but also encourages financial independence. It provides a clear view of your financial situation, making it easier to make informed financial decisions. It's about prioritizing your spending, making sure that your money is being used wisely and not wasted. It's about living within your means and avoiding debt. It's about setting financial goals and working towards them. It's about financial peace of mind. Remember, budget is your financial roadmap. It's your ticket to financial success. If you stay on course, you'll reach your objective. Happy budgeting. Secondly, shopping smart can help you save a lot. What is smart shopping? It's about being aware and calculating. It's understanding that it's not just about a cheap price, but about extracting value for your money. A key tactic of shopping smartly is comparing prices. This refers to examining costs at various stores prior to making a purchase. With the internet at your fingertips, price comparison is easy. You can swiftly browse multiple websites and compare prices to ensure you're securing the best deal possible. Coupons are another ideal method to save. They can considerably lower the cost of your purchases, especially when used wisely. For instance, applying a coupon on an already discounted item can result in major savings. Where can you find these coupons? Rakuten is your answer. It's a reliable source for coupon codes for any shop or brand. Whether you're shopping for groceries, clothes, or electronics, Rakuten can help you find a coupon to cut down the cost of your purchase. Sales are another chance to save. Whether it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or end-of-season sales, these events offer significant markdowns on a plethora of items. But remember, a sale isn't synonymous with a good deal. Consider the value of the item and whether it's something you genuinely need. Don't forget about loyalty programs. Numerous stores offer rewards programs that allot points for every purchase. These points can then be redeemed for rebates on future purchases. It's an easy way to save on items you would be buying anyway. So, smart shopping isn't about saving money, it's about making your money work harder for you. It's about extracting the maximum value for every dollar you spend. The next time you're about to make a purchase, pause to consider if you're really getting the best deal. Smart shopping is all about getting more for your money. Our third tip is saving automatically. It's an easy strategy to steadily develop your financial cushion. Rather than transferring money manually to a savings account, which can easily slip your mind or be overlooked, automatic savings carries out the task for you. It's similar to acquiring a personal finance aid. Reflect on this. How often have you aspired to save a portion of your income, only to realize that there is barely anything left to save by the month's end? That's precisely where automatic savings become a game changer. You have the opportunity to configure your bank account to perform an automatic transfer of a predetermined amount into your savings account monthly. In this manner, you're basically putting yourself as a priority prior to any other expenditures. This principle isn't merely about ease or convenience, it's about bringing the habit of saving into your life, becoming an integral part of your monthly regimen. And the most enticing part? There's no need to start big. Initiating the practice with even a minuscule percentage of your monthly income can lead to a substantial accumulation over time. Picture this. If you arrange an auto transfer of a mere $50 per month, that sums up to $600 annually. Within 5 years, your savings would amount to $3,000, and that's without even considering any interest that may accrue. The charm of automatic savings lies in its simplicity and ease. It eliminates the uncertainty and the toil associated with manual saving. It embodies a set-and-forget approach, allowing your finances to flourish in the backdrop while you concentrate on other fiscal objectives. With automatic savings, you're putting your money to work for you. Tip number 4 is all about reducing expenses. Financial stability is a journey, and an essential part of this journey is managing and minimizing unnecessary expenditures. When we think about improving our financial health, we often focus on boosting our income or increasing our savings, but we overlook the importance of cutting down on what we spend, especially on non-essential items. Consider this. How frequently do you eat out? Dining at restaurants or ordering takeout is a delightful break from the routine of cooking, but it can also lead to an accumulation of hefty bills. You might be surprised by how much you could save by simply preparing more meals at home. Plus, home-cooked meals often tend to be healthier and can be customized to your exact preferences. Let's also evaluate your subscriptions. Subscriptions to various streaming platforms, monthly magazines, and other services may not seem like they cost much individually, but when added up, they can make a substantial dent in your finances. Pause and ask yourself, are you really watching all the movies, shows, or reading all the magazines you subscribe to? If not, it could be time to unsubscribe from a few. Impulse purchases are another area of spending we've all fallen victim to. Whether it's a pair of shoes on sale, a new kitchen gadget you think you can't live without, or those snacks by the checkout counter that you grab without a second thought. At the moment, they might seem like harmless indulgences, but over time they can significantly impact your budget. So next time, before you make an impulsive buy, take a moment to ask, is this something I truly need? Remember, keeping expenses in check is not about living a life of deprivation, but about making informed and smart decisions about where your money goes. It is about understanding the difference between needs and wants and prioritizing wisely. Reducing expenses can free up more money for your savings. Our final tip is to invest wisely. Investing is a financial that involves putting your money to work, encouraging it to grow and multiply over time. This process of financial growth can take various forms, including investments in stocks, bonds, or even real estate. The key to successful is figuring out what investment avenue resonates with you the most. However, it's crucial to remember that investing isn't about instant monetary gratification. It's not about becoming an overnight millionaire. Instead, investing is a calculated approach to accumulating wealth that requires meticulous planning, an understanding of the risks involved, and a hefty dose of patience. Entering the world of investing without adequate preparation can be risky. Each investment avenue carries its own set of potential pitfalls. Hence, it is vital to thoroughly understand these risks before deciding to invest. Consulting with a professional financial advisor or conducting extensive personal research can provide valuable insights into the intricacies of investing. Investing isn't about betting your money. It's about strategically placing it where it can flourish. The potential rewards can be significant, but only if you recognize that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Always remember, the goal of investing is not to get rich overnight, but to steadily increase your wealth over time. Investing wisely can help your money grow over time. Let's quickly recap the 5 money-saving tips we've discussed today. First, we emphasized budgeting. By strategizing your expenses, you dodge unnecessary costs and augment savings. Second, we explored intelligent shopping. Utilizing platforms like Rakuten avails coupon codes for every shop and brand, securing savings on your buys. Third, we advise setting up automatic savings. This safeguards you from diverting earmarked funds to unplanned expenses. Fourth, we proposed cutting down on non-essential outgoings. This liberates funds for your savings. Last, we underscored wise investing. Investments that compound over time facilitate wealth accumulation. These suggestions, if implemented, can substantially build your savings and alter your financial trajectory. If you found these tips valuable, consider liking this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial counsel. Thanks for watching.